Hello, and welcome to Pure Listening. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, we'll talk about hobbies and interests and how they make our lives more enjoyable. So, what are hobbies? A hobby is an activity you do because you enjoy it. You do not do it for work or school. You do it because it makes you happy, relaxed, or excited. Hobbies are important because they help us feel calm after a long day, learn new things, or meet new people. Some hobbies are quiet, like reading. Other hobbies are active, like playing football or running. Some hobbies are creative, like drawing or making music. There are many kinds of hobbies, and everyone can choose what they like. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. I enjoy reading different kinds of books. Sometimes I read stories about people who travel around the world. Sometimes I read books that teach me new things, like history or science. I like reading because it helps me learn, relax, and imagine new places. Every evening, after I finish my work, I sit on my sofa with a warm cup of tea. I open my book and read for 30 minutes or 1 hour. I feel calm when I read. It is like I enter a new world. When I read, I forget stress, problems, or noise around me. Reading makes me feel peaceful. I also like going to the library. The library is a quiet place with many books. I walk around the shelves and look at different titles. Sometimes I find a new book that looks interesting and I take it home. I think reading is one of the easiest and best hobbies to start because you only need a book. Another hobby I love is listening to music. Music is part of my daily life. I listen to music in the morning while I prepare breakfast. It helps me start the day with a good mood. Sometimes I listen to slow music when I want to relax. Other times I listen to fast music when I need energy. My favorite type of music is soft pop because it is easy to listen to. I also enjoy classical music when I read. Music helps me focus and think clearly. When I feel sad or tired, I listen to happy music and it changes my mood. Music is like a friend that is always there for me. I also enjoy discovering new artists online. Sometimes I listen to music from other countries and I learn new words in different languages. Music is a hobby that connects people from all over the world. I also enjoy playing sports. My favorite sport is football. I'm not a professional player, but I love playing with my friends. Every Friday afternoon, we go to the park and play for 1 hour. We laugh, run, and have fun together. Playing football helps me stay healthy. It makes my body strong and gives me more energy. And that was a little about my hobbies and interests. What are some of your hobbies? I'd love to hear about them, so feel free to write them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the PDF in the description for all the words and text we covered.